Okay, I have to do this again. Last time it didn't work. Wasting my time with this bastard son of a bitch. If you don't understand, then what can I do about your rotten mind? He's telling me I have a low IQ, you have a IQ of a donkey. कर दिया कत्ल बुला के तूने मुसलमान हमको इंडियन डॉन दाऊद इब्राहिम के टट्टू दुबई में रहने वाले गेटिंग मनी फ्रॉम दुबई No one is talking about Shia genocide, not Khalij Times, not Gulf, only the Al Jazeera. I don't know about that. And then they were all together in this against the Shias. So you want to go help atheists? Go help atheists. अरे ऐसा बदतमीज इंसान, क्या बदतमीजी की है मेरे साथ, बात करने की तमीज नहीं है. अरब्स तो हंस रहे होंगे, उनको तो हर चीज़ के लिए हंसते हैं, फिर बस हंसने, दूसरों पे हंसना उनका. और क्या काम होगा इन अरब्स का इधर. हंसते हैं दूसरों पे. Your mother was najis, impure. According to the Muslims and the Quran, you are slaves. We have conquered the Arabs. Muslims have conquered you with their money. And Allah is one and Allah is one. How will you see the Lord in Krishna when you are working for the Arabs? And I'm also living in the UAE and getting paid by them. So you will help me see the scriptures. You're going to help me see my scriptures. My Hindu scriptures, you bastard. Haste raho, bastard. Motherfucker, motherfucking mother. You look like my neighbor. I saw him right in the eyes when I was calling him. I went to my neighbor and said that, please, can you keep the voice down? Who is behind you? कभी कारफोर में भेजते हैं Egyptians को and you are finished and all that. पता नहीं किसको यहाँ भेजा है, नेबर बनाया मेरा. इधर prostitutes, sleeping with prostitutes, Arabs, Indians, Pakistanis. So much prostitution it is. And they're laughing. Wallahi azim, what can we do? Now we are getting paid here. Without oil money, how will we live? We have to maintain. See, this, all this is from Abu Dhabi money. All this. See, all this is from Abu Dhabi money. I'm having tea. This is Abu Dhabi money. They will say how ungrateful you are. Hell is imaginary, and now they've learned so many things on the internet. एक तो ये रिचर्ड डॉकिंस की, ओह माय गॉड, हैरत सुल्तान ने रिचर्ड डॉकिंस का बुक पढ़ के, ओह माय गॉड, डोंट कॉल मी नाउ. डू यू थिंक दैट आई विल लिसन टू यू? क्या बातें कर रहे हो मेरे साथ, कैसी बदतमीजी से आए हो. क्लेवर एस, स्टिंकिंग पू, najis. The Muslims would call you najis. Oh, shut up. You such a badtameez man. Go to hell. तमीज नहीं आया. Understand? You want to act clever with me? Come online again. There's no hell, that is imaginary. I will show you the psychological hell. I will show you. तमीज़ नहीं है. उधर बेयकीन के यहाँ आए हो मुझे. The way he's asking me questions, I was not running away. So the Arabs have learned English now and they know how to talk. They've kept their people on YouTube. कृपा तुम्हारी माँ तुम पे नहीं कर सकेगी अभी. कृपा करो. एक तो which kripa? You bastard, which kripa? Which kripa? Krishna is not Lord. Vedas are wrong. Which kripa, you bastard? Which kripa?